Welcome in my next video. Here today I'm going to discuss some important questions asked in IOE CEE. So before going to this question, you to solve by yourself, first try by yourself to answer all these questions because these questions are very easy and I hope you all know about it. Let's begin. Benzene is directly obtained from diazonium salt using option A H3PO2, option B H3PO3, option C H3PO4, option D all of the above. Here H3PO2 is hypophosphorus acid, H3PO3 is phosphorus acid, H3PO4 is phosphoric acid. Sometimes in IOE simple questions like which of the following is hypophosphorus acid is also asked. So please read all the names. Now going to this question, dealing with this question. Here we have this is benzene, diazonium salt. It when treated with H3PO2 we get benzene plus phosphorus acid plus nitrogen plus HCl. So here we see hypophosphorus acid on treatment with benzene diazonium chloride we get benzene along with phosphorus acid, nitrogen and HCl. So here we go up with option A. And question number 2, here we have benzene on ozonolysis with zinc and water gives on ozonolysis. Here the benzene, here double bond are broken and oxygen are added to them. So 6 molecules of oxygen on breaking adjacent double bond in benzene, it gives CHO, 6 CHO, which is glyoxal. Similar in other case also we will see later, but in this question here the benzene on ozonolysis in presence of zinc and water, the product is glyoxal. Now moving into next slide, question number 3. Iodoethane on treatment on reaction with alcoholic KOH gives. Here iodoethane on reaction with alcoholic KOH. We have also aqueous KOH. We will see what with alcoholic KOH and what with aqueous KOH. With alcoholic KOH here, iodoethane undergoes dehydrogenation and ethene is obtained, ETHENE, and with alcoholic KOH, C2H5OH substitution will happen and ethyl alcohol or ethanol is formed. So in this question we are told with alcoholic KOH, so we will go with option A, ethene. Question number 4, C2H5I on reaction with KCN or NaCN gives C2H5I. Iodoethane on reaction with KCN or AgCN or NaCN. KCN or NaCN with KCN or NaCN it will give C2H5CN, ethyl nitrile, while with AgCN it will give C2H5NC, ethane isocyanate. So here we will go with option B. Now moving on to next slide. Question number 5. The hydrocarbon obtained by treating iodoform with silver powder is again heated in red hot tube in presence of copper to obtain. The hydrocarbon obtained by treating iodoform with silver powder. Iodoform CH3I on treatment with silver powder we will get ethine, which on reaction with copper and in presence of red hot iron tube we will get benzene. So here we will go with option B, benzene. And question number 6, which of the following group of electrophile gives sulfonation reaction? In this sulfonation reaction is given by both A and B, so we will go with option D, But if we were about to choose between A and B, then SO3 will be the best. It will be the best. Here we will see 3 different questions. The intermediate product in Marconi's addition is carbocation with the right answer. Ethine on reaction with ammonical Cu2Cl2 gives. Here ethine on reaction with ammonical Cu2Cl2 will give CuC triple bond CCU, and it will be the red PPT. So we will go with option B, red PPT. Ethene on reaction with Bayer's reagent. What will Bayer reagent? It is alkaline KMnO4. So sometimes what is Bayer's reagent is also asked. Here ethene on reaction with Bayer's reagent will gives what? Option B will be correct answer. Ethylene glycol will be given when ethene reacts with Bayer's reagent. Thank you this much for today. Hope you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.